everyone, welcome to Mathematically Inclined. Let's discuss a super duper trick to solve these coordinate geometry or straight line problems under 5 seconds. Yes, this is possible, you know, when you are on this channel. So, if you come across the question which says determine the ratio in which a specific line divides the line segment joining 2 points, well, if you go using the conventional method, then you will be using your section formula. So what you would do is you would join these points, you would say let the given line split it in the ratio k:1. Using section formula, you get the coordinates here, then substitute these coordinates here. So you are going to at least use 2 to 3 minutes. However, I'll get you the answer like this. So the answer to this one would be -6:25. Yes, and you know when the ratio is negative, it means that there is external division. So this means the ratio is 6:25 and the line is dividing it externally. Can you get the answer quicker than this? Have a look. Are you zapped thinking how did I get the answer so quickly? When don't worry, I am going to share the magic with you. So all you need to do is when you come across a line, first of all ensure it is in the format ax plus by plus c is 0. In short, if your constant term is on the right side, then push it on the left. Okay, after that you just need to substitute these points in the line one by one. The point which is mentioned first goes in first. So this would be 3. In place of x I put 1 plus 4. In place of y I put 3 minus 9 upon. Now the second point goes. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 7 minus 9. On solving this, you get 3 plus 12 minus 9, that's a 6. And 6 plus 28, that's a 34 minus 9, 25. Now, whatever is the answer that you are getting, just put a negative sign along with it. And that's it. This gives us the ratio. And yes, I know it was too quick. Have a look now. You people want to stay more and more mathematically inclined? Then join my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, and also join me on my WhatsApp group Mathematically Inclined Now. All the links you would find in the description box below, and also for the WhatsApp group you can send me a message on this number and you would get the link. Click on that and you get all the latest updates first. And now continue watching. So now have a look at another question. Now as you can see, the line is x plus y is equal to 4. First bring it to its standard form, which is x plus y minus 4 is 0. Now plugging in the first point, this becomes minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 upon next one 5 plus 7 minus 4. So you get minus 4 upon this would be 12 minus 4, 8. And you know you always need to take a negative sign, so the answer is half. Yes, 1:2 is the ratio in which the given line divides the line segment joining the given 2 points. Super quick. Have a look at another question. So find the ratio in which the line segment joining these 2 points is divided by the x-axis. So very simple, the equation is y is equal to 0, and this tells you that this question you can handle orally. Okay, so here you get y is equal to 0, that means you get 5, there is no, so with x coordinate there's nothing. For y I plug in minus 4 upon likewise 3, you know you take the negative for this, so the ratio is 4:3. Now coming to this question, it says find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points 2, 3 and 4, 5 is divided by the line segment joining the points 6, 8 and minus 3, minus 2. Now as you can see, this time the equation of this line is not given, rather 2 points are given on it. So not to worry, we can find that on our own. Taking this as the first point, the equation becomes y minus 8 is equal to minus 2 minus 8, that's minus 10, upon minus 3 minus 6, that's minus 9, into x minus 6. So we cross multiply. 9y minus 72 is equal to 10x minus 60, which means it is 10x minus 9y plus 12 is equal to 0. So once we have got our equation, now we can go ahead with our shortcut method, and the points are 2, 3 and 4, 5. So let's plug that in. With 2, 3 we get 10 into 2 minus 9 into 3 plus 12 upon, this would be 10 into 4 minus 9 into 5 plus 12. So this will be 20 plus 12, that's 32, minus 27, which is a 5, and you have 40 plus 12, which is 52, minus 45, which gives you a 7. So 5 by 7, don't forget the negative sign, so it is 5:7 externally. Wasn't this so quick and easy? Have a look. You know the top 3 correct answers always get named in my upcoming videos. Have a look. Did you enjoy this video? If the answer is yes, then don't forget to do the drill. Yes, like this video, share it with all the people around you, and if you haven't done that so far, make sure to subscribe to my channel for many more math videos. So, I would see you with a new exciting one very, very soon. Until then, bye-bye.